Get ready for a leap in smartphone evolution. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is on the horizon, and it's shaping up to be a massive game changer in design and tech. Apple's about to shake up the entire smartphone market, and today, we're diving into all the exciting rumors, leaks, and groundbreaking innovations expected for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with one of the most anticipated design changes, a smaller and sleeker dynamic island cutout. This change could mean more screen space and an overall cleaner look up front, giving us an even more immersive experience with that glorious display. But that's just the beginning. The iPhone 17 lineup is likely to see some major shifts in screen sizes across models. Apple is reportedly setting both the standard iPhone 17 and the 17 Pro at a unified 6.3 inches, streamlining the lineup's look and feel. But here's the twist. A new iPhone 17 Air could hit the scene, boasting a mid-size 6.6-inch screen for those who want that perfect in-between size without going full Pro Max. And speaking of size, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to go big, like, really big. We're talking about a jaw-dropping 6.9-inch display, officially making it the largest iPhone ever. Imagine streaming, gaming, and working on that almost tablet-sized screen. But here's the kicker, Apple might be simplifying its model selection, potentially discontinuing the Plus model in favor of these three streamlined sizes: 6.3 inches for the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro, 6.6 inches for the 17 Air, and that massive 6.9 inches for the 17 Pro Max. This shift could make it so much easier to pick the iPhone that fits you perfectly. Now, let's talk about the Pro Max's exclusive features. It's rumored that Apple is using advanced metal lens technology to give the Pro Max an even more compact dynamic island. This could mean a more immersive display with less interruption and a true edge-to-edge experience. That tech might be exclusive to the Pro Max, making it the top-tier model to beat. And it gets even better. Apple might be borrowing display tech from their Apple Watch lineup. Yes, we're talking about the LTPO OLED technology from the latest Apple Watch Series 10. This could mean an always-on display, dynamic refresh rates, and potentially even better battery life. Imagine having all that Apple Watch display tech right on your iPhone screen: smart, efficient, and beautiful. With all these rumored design changes and exclusive tech upgrades, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the smartphone to watch. This model might set a new standard in Apple's lineup, making it the ultimate device for those who want the latest and greatest Apple has to offer. So, are you as excited as we are? If these rumors hold true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the most impressive iPhone yet. Drop a comment below. What feature are you most hyped for? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest iPhone news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.